I got a friend in there.
Thank you very much, friends.
Good evening. Come on, talk to me. I'm going to sit on you. Evening. Pleasure to be here. I can see we've got some good-looking ladies in tonight. Some ugly bastards as well, but don't worry, girls. I'm not going to point you out. You know who you are. Has anybody noticed I'm overweight? Come on, you can talk to me. I've had my tea. I'm full. I have tried to lose weight, ladies and gentlemen. Been on that slim fast. Have we tried slim fast today? Looking lovely with chips. Lovely with chips. I must tell you, you can probably tell by my tan, I've come back from a lovely place. A little place called Skegness. Do you know Skegness? Yeah. If you've never been to Skegness, Skegness is a place where the sea don't go out, it clears off. I get up ever so early, about 11:30, 12. And then I like to walk down the seafront and watch the donkeys shit themselves when they see me coming. But ladies and gentlemen, I've had a good look around tonight. It looks like there's probably one or two in here who probably went to school same time as me, about 8:45. If you're my age, you'll remember this. Can you remember years ago when your mother used to shout you in? She used to always pretend she was a ventriloquist. Do you remember? She used to like that, didn't she? I'm not coming. Get here! No. And then my dad used to come in. My dad always thought you're a plastic surgeon, my dad. He used to say to me, if you don't stop fucking about, I'm going to put that smile on the other side of your face. And where is Kingdom Come? My dad was going to fucking knock me to it every night, my dad. Didn't they say some silly things, your mum and dad? Silly things like, don't come running to me if you fall off that wall and break your leg. And that doorbell floor in it. Would you like a good idea? Oh, I fucking love one. This was my favourite. Do you remember this one? Have you seen inside your ears? I can you do that? Mind you, there's one thing my mother could never say to me. My fucking eyes were bigger than my belly. I used to love things when I was a child. I don't know about yourself, did you? Have a good childhood? Thank you, Doc. Just me and you tonight. You'll be alright with me, Annette? I'm not very good in bed, but I'm brilliant at making sandwiches. But I am married. But don't worry, I cheat. So you're going to be alright. You'll be alright with me, Annette. Don't worry about that, love. I might be fat and ugly, but I'm on £3 a week. Are you enjoying yourself, Annette? Let your face know about it, then. That's it, look. Ladies and gentlemen, the stripper's just going to get ready. Who's stripper do? Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Obviously not used to that. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it is time for me to go. You've been a cracking crowd. Hopefully I haven't upset anybody. We're going to do a song to finish off. You got it, Dale?